What is Vietnam's highest GDP? Vietnam GDP history. Here's the headline. Vietnam's GDP is now at its highest on record, roughly $430 to $470 billion in nominal terms, with 2023 the latest confirmed year near $430 billion, and 2024 estimates trending higher. That surge caps a dramatic climb from about $6.3 billion in 1989. How did it happen? Start with Đổi Mới in the late 1980s, which opened markets and unleashed private enterprise. Through the 1990s, agriculture reforms and light industry drove steady gains. In the 2000s, foreign investment and export manufacturing took off. Electronics, textiles, and furniture, accelerated by WTO accession in 2007. The 2010s brought a smartphone and components boom as global supply chains anchored in the North and South. Even after the 2020 shock, Vietnam rebounded on strong exports and shifting supply chains from China. Bottom line, the highest GDP to date is today's level, built over 30 years of reforms, FDI, and export-led growth. Prices have risen with income, but the core story is scale, a modern, mid-sized economy forged in one generation.